I'm ready. Okay, so if y'all are too stubborn and you don't know what this is, what? It's supposed to be funny, not in a bad way. This is a 3D printer I got for Christmas. I know I'm bougie like that.
Oh, you bougie?
Yeah, but I'm very thankful.
Yeah, you included that. Turn it towards the front. Where's that the front?
Where's the front?
I have no idea what the front is.
Turn it.
The part where the thing.
You want it to be like this? Watch out,
Where
Mama.
is the front?
Watch out, Mama.
Yeah, I think that's the front. So this is the FlashForge Adventure 5M 3D printer.
Notepad. Yeah, to my collection.
Oh, what is that?
Mama actually bought it.
That's why I gotta stop this thing. I'm like, what?
Okay, now we have this software.
Oh, this is the
Filament.
filament.
Well, did you get that recorded? ASMR. Okay, the end. Bye. What? It looks like one. Another blind. Let me open it.
Go for it.
Another blind bag.
I was just trying to help you.
We got some pliers. Mine.
Cut the filament.
We got a board.
Put it back in there when you finish.
I don't know what it is. We got adhesive.
Okay.
And we got this thingamabob.
Getting stuck in your head.
And then we got this white grease.
Oh, like to oil it up?
I'm not trying. I don't want to break this.
Alright, pull it out.
It's like breaking your mama's fine china.
Ooh, give me that piece.
Hold me and show me if I gave you a chance. Yes, please. My assistant, you're in the wrong spot. Move it up a little bit. And it's still in the wrong spot. You gotta scoot it. You gotta scoot it. Mama is covered.
Connect this in here, and then this tube goes in here. This cable, and stick it down in here. This is what it looks like.
2025 air. Squished.
Yeah, I think it goes like that.
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
But it looks like this part
Is at the bottom?
facing towards this. Like, see how it's facing towards the frame?
It does look like that.
I was seeing if this.
So that, I think like that. So that cable has to go inside of that little slot. You opened it up.
Mm-hmm.
Can you close it back after you do it?
Yeah, that's what I just did.
Okay. So that's how it goes. Let me show you, because a lot of them didn't show what it should look like. So this is what it should look like once you get it installed. Insert it. We doing French, Spanish, or English?
English.
Okay.
Next.
Let's get it set up there first, and then we can go through it.
So these two things slide into these two notches here.
Okay. Oh, that's really easy. It went off.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Is there
No, I just had to move the wire on the back.
give you instructions on the screw. Use the Allen wrenches to remove these screws on the bell plate, which is this, and these screws. So it's these little silver ones right here, and then right here, right here, and down.
Don't do that.
Why?
It is cold.
See, Wi-Fi.
What?
So the Wi-Fi is coming up. Which one of our Wexa? With the Wi-Fi put in there, and then it'll connect. So we had to restart it because it had to do a firmware update. Right now it's calibrating. Give you the temperatures. This is the filament. Then we have this part right here. Insert this in here. This. That's not gonna work.
Says if no filament is extruded manually, insert the filament into the inlet and put it back to the trial field for filament movement until it is extruded.
I'm just moving it through this tube.
You can see it.
You can see it?
You can see it in the tube. It's right there.
I don't know how far.
I can see it moving.
I don't know how far I'm supposed to go. Then we're gonna hit load. It's preheating.
And then it's gonna print something. Let's see.
The filament is coming out. You see it? That's not even something.
The filament and the nozzle and plastic. Okay, so let's clean that. Careful because it should be wet. Oh, it's not actually wet. It's pretty nice and cool. Well, take this off.
How you should see it?
Nice and clean.
Look at the filament coming out.
It's coming. What'd you printing?
That's the full cycle.
It's
Oh, I see it.
Software, firmware, whatever it is doing, we can update
There's a
it.
making.
making more filament. Loading complete. Says loading complete. Please clean the filament on the nozzle platform. Click print. The people said it wasn't hot. And then it says hit print. This is a test.
It's gonna put a cube.
Mm-hmm.
You put this so different out.
It's preheating.
It's making it? Oh, no, no. Look at it go. Be quiet. Be quiet. Photo.
The filament. It's laying the filament down.
It's just making a base part. It's like you writing cursor. Well, you should look at this base part. It's really cool. An hour. It's gonna count. It's gonna take an hour.
So cool.
Huh?